YouTube, what is good? It's your boy Nas Thrax, and I'm back with another banger. I'd like to welcome you back to Thrax Kicks, the channel where I do sneaker reviews, how-tos, and sneaker news. Today, we're gonna be kicking off my 60 days of sneakers, and I'm also gonna be revealing to y'all who won that giveaway. The show starts right now. So I want to go ahead and thank everybody that participated in the giveaway, everybody that put your name in, screenshot it, that you were following me on IG, and that you were subscribed to me, and you hit that notification bell. Thank y'all, man. Thank you so much. It means so much to me. It helps the channel out a lot, and I hope that I can keep climbing up and growing from here. We had a good turnout for this giveaway, but it's only going to be one lucky person that's going to get to walk away with this champion pack. So let's go ahead and find out who it is. All right, y'all, I got Wheel of Names up, and I got all the contestants entered in right here, and they're also gonna be on this pinwheel right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and spin it and see who won this giveaway. Shout out to my boy Cedric Givens. He won this giveaway, so I'm gonna hit you up on IG. I'm gonna ask you which pack you want, and then I'm gonna get your name on the package and get it sent out to you, man. All right, y'all, now we get to kick off my 60 days of sneaker series. I am so excited, man. I'm going on this journey. It's gonna be a long one. I'm gonna lock in, I'm gonna work hard, I'm gonna keep bringing y'all this content. So let's go ahead and get started with it, man. Kicking off day one of 60 days of sneakers, we're gonna start with the Shadow 5000 Dreamland. This particular colorway of the Shadow 5000 was inspired by Area 51, and it's got a lot of dope accents all over it. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this box. First thing you see when we open the box, we got this plastic cover. It's kind of like the Air Jordan 11 cover that comes in those boxes. And then you just got Feature on there, Shadow Hazard, and then Dreamland, property of Feature and Saucony. It's cool, it comes with iridescent paper. It's kind of like when they put a blanket on aliens. That's pretty dope, man. So here we got the Shadow 5000 Dreamland, which is a Feature collab with Saucony. I got these off of eBay. What made me want to buy these is I was on YouTube one day and I saw Anthony Levine, I think is his name, did a review on these, and I just thought it was such a dope shoe, man. Here on the toe box, you got suede, you got tumbled leather around the toe. The laces were definitely something that caught my eye. They come with 3 pair of laces. One has red tips on it, the other has yellow tips on it. And then of course you get these yellow ones with the yellow tips on it. I love the yellow laces in there, man. I just left them in there because that's how they were shipped to me. And I think it just matches this little feature tag so much better, man. One of my favorite features about this shoe is the insole. You got a heat map and then you got a grid behind it. I think that was pretty cool for them to do on this. On the side of the shoe, you have more suede, and then you have leather paneling along the S for Saucony. And then these 3 little dots right here are all glow in the dark. On the back of the shoe, you have an iridescent strip, and then you also got Feature. On the back here above that iridescent strip, you got patent leather, and then you also got this little hazard strip right here. And I think that's a really good touch to the laces that they included in it. Inside the shoe on the sock liner, you got full leather. Then on the bottom of the shoe, you have XT600 and Saucony along the outsole, and then you also get a glow in the dark heel. Along the midsole, you got like a tan cement looking color, and then there's little splatters. I don't know if y'all can see them, but it's little splatters all along there. Those are all glow in the dark as well. Pretty dope shoe overall. If y'all want to know where to get your hands on them, you'll probably get them on eBay. I got them at the release date, and I got them for about 110 bucks. So just go on eBay. You can type in Dreamland Shadow 5000. They'll pop right up. But enough of me talking, man. Let's go ahead and get these on feet. Overall, I think this was a dope shoe. It had a lot of attention to detail, which is why I always love collabs. It's something that I really wanted to get in my collection, and I got it, so I'm gonna hold on to these for a while, man. Y'all get down in the comments. Y'all don't forget to like this video, share it out to all your friends, and subscribe and hit that notification bell. This has been Thrax Kicks, and I'm out.